This is a quick training video on ordering and receiving at the Dirty Buffalo. I just want to show you guys how to find some templates for placing orders for your departments. So anytime you're going to place an order for any product, you need to know two things. You need to know what product you're going to order or what item it is you're going to order, and then how much you have on hand. So every department should be equipped with par sheets and order guides. If you find that you're not able to find these at your store, you can find some templates here on SharePoint in the Documents folder under Manager Forms and Resources, Ordering and Receiving. So for example, this is a template for an ABC order guide. It would be slightly different for each store, although we have designated products that you should be ordering for ABC, regardless of what store you're at. Your par levels might be different depending on how much product you go through. So let's just click on this to take a look at it. So you've got the item code here. These are the par levels for our Princess Anne store. And then before you go ahead and place your order, you would write what you have on hand here so that you could figure out how many you have to order for that particular week. Another example is a beer order guide. And with any one of these templates, you can just go ahead and open them up and then save them as a new version for your store in particular. And then there's different sections on SharePoint where you can save documents for different stores. So for example, just to show you, if you go back home here, you'll see that we have different sites, one for Princess Anne, another one for Little Creek, another one for Collie. So you can save your version that's pertinent to your store in your particular SharePoint group. And all managers in your store should have access to that group. So going back to our order guides. Here's an example of a beer order guide. And again, this one's definitely going to be different per store because we do allow you guys to have rotating craft brews. But let's just take a look at this. It's a fairly recent update from our Princess Anne store. So it has your different distributors. It's got your par levels for each of your items, a space for you to take inventory before you place your order, and a space for you to calculate how many you need to order. We also have a template, slightly older template for the back of the house that you can update for your store. Okay, and it's got food items here, on hand order, on hand order. Depending on how many days a week you place an order, you're probably going to be placing about three to four Sysco orders a week. So you can do this multiple times on the same sheet. But this one would need to be updated for the products that we currently are using for our stores. The other place that you can get a back of house order guide is through Sysco Shop, which I'll show you real quick. Your training manager can give you access to the Sysco portal so that you're able to sign in and have access to the full portal for your store. Go to Sysco Shop. And if you go up here under lists, You don't want to go by purchase history because remember, you might have some substitutes or you might have a manager that just ordered the wrong thing. So you want to make sure that you have the correct list. You're going to check with your training manager on what is the most up-to-date list, or you can check with our executive chef. When in doubt, always check to make sure you've got the right products on your order guide. But here's a sheet to shelf for our Colley Avenue location that has all of the food and non-alcoholic beverage items that are ordered through Sysco, as well as cleaning products. And a couple kitchen utensils and supplies also come through Sysco as well. So you can make new lists, you can organize it sheet to shelf, and you can use this as your order guide for Sysco as well. And then what happens if you want to order, say you're running low on pint glasses, or you need some new baskets for wings from Webstaurant. How do you know which ones to order there? The easiest thing to do is, although there is a Webstaurant order guide on SharePoint, you can make sure you're getting the correct products by going into our Margin Edge site. And again, your training manager can give you access to this. But this is the sign-on screen that you'll see when you first sign on to Margin Edge. You can go over here in the margin and click on recipes, click on setup, click on manage equipment, and you can search for any item here. So say you need ladles. You need a 2-ounce ladle. What 2-ounce ladle am I supposed to purchase? It'll tell you right here that you want the 2-ounce one-piece stainless steel ladle with item number 922-46882. If you click on this, these are Webstaurant item numbers. Should be able to just copy and paste that. Right into your Webstaurant search bar. Probably better to just use the item number. There it goes. And you can see that there are various sizes. If you want the 2-ounce one, just go here and go ahead and add it to your cart. So that's quick and easy training video on how to go about ordering items for your restaurant.